Hi there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to join Hypesquad Discord on mobile. Firstly guys, you need to go on your browser and type for Discord, and right after that you need to go on the three dots icon on your right upper side and go for desktop side. Then you need to wait for uploading to the main page and just scroll down and zoom in and go for the settings bar. And when you go for the setting bar and you scroll down, you'll be able here to find the Hypesquad. Just click on Hypesquad, then zoom out, and here guys, if you haven't joined yet, as you can see also on my site, I will go for join Hypesquad, and now here I need to answer all these questions that are related from the Discord Help Support Center. Now I will go with this one, go next question. Here we'll go with this, here with this, and that one. Now I will go to close. Now it will be picked a House of Bravery, and I will go close. And then if you want to make, here as you can see, you can go and switch your houses by taking the test again. And now we are in Hypesquad. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.